This is one is a rhododendron. It's a beautiful day. I come to garden today. It's raining. I love it's raining. There's a pink one. And I take a walk to the white one. This one is a red orange one. How beautiful it is. It's blinding my eyes. It's so beautiful. I close up for you. That's how beautiful it is. Now they say rhododendron in orange. This one, rhododendron in the purple one. They are very tiny, very small. But imagine in the garden how beautiful it is. I close up for you. It's beautiful. I find the angel in the garden. Hello, angel. This one is another rhododendron. It's a big one. It's beautiful. I used to grow this one in my garden, but unfortunately it died. Look how big tree it is. How beautiful. Wow. That's so beautiful. This one is not bloom yet. I think probably next 2 weeks it's a full bloom. I will come another day. Now I find purple flower, but I don't know, definitely it's not bluebell. You see, I close up. It's really purple. It's beautiful. There's a lot over there. And up here is the apple tree. So beautiful. I tell you what's the name of the purple flower. This name. You can read themselves. I'm not good English. This one, you can look how beautiful it is. This is the name of flower. I have one in my garden. It's beautiful. It's like a orange color. Now I am in lilac zone. It's beautiful too. I have in my garden too. It's lilacs in the soft purple pink, and this one in the deep pink one. How beautiful it is. Super beautiful. That garden I come today is up there. You can see, I zoom up for you. It's a Rhododendron, the red one, but I didn't go up there because it's too raining for me. So now I'm gonna circle all for you to see how beautiful the garden is.